Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Heart of Micron series. I'm Martina Trucco, and this time we're joined by Matt Ulrich, who is going to tell us about some amazing work that he and some of his colleagues have been doing in Boise to help with COVID-19 relief efforts. Matt, thanks so much for joining us. Do you mind telling us a little bit about what you do here at Micron?
Yeah, hello, I'm Matt Ulrich. Thanks for having me. I work in the TD characterization group, and I write PRAM programs that control the auto testers and measure devices on the wafers to debug the process.
And I guess what we're talking about today is a little bit different from that, because it sounds like you have been putting your creativity to good work and trying to figure out how to actually use 3D printing to help support some of the efforts locally there in Boise. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, ever since this COVID stuff started up, I was trying to see, or seeing stuff all over online about people 3D printing things, and I was trying to get involved. And then I saw a story on Facebook about BSU that was I was working with the hospitals to get things set up, and it had some contact information. And so I got a hold of them, and as soon as I got the information, I spent all weekend printing. They're printing face shields for nurses and stuff. And so we end up printing just the headband that goes through here, and BSU is taking care of the clear plastic shielding that goes on the front of it, and they assemble it and deliver it to the hospitals.
And so BSU is Boise State University, is that right?
Yes, at Boise State University here in town. They've got a MakerLab there, and that MakerLab's been spearheading this project and working, like I said, directly with the hospitals to find out what design of headband and face shield works best for them. There's looking through the online forums and around the world, there are many versions, and they sort of made a hybrid version of their own that the hospitals here really liked. And that's what we've been making as fast as we can.
That's pretty amazing. And it sounds like you're part of a group of people who are actually collaborating on this effort, which is also really interesting. I think, did I understand right? There's a bit of a club actually of other Micron folks that kind of tinker with their 3D printers and things like that.
That is correct. We have an additive manufacturing club here at Micron. We've been trying to come up with another project. A while back, we did a project where we built a printer and donated it to a local high school. And we've been trying to come up with another one. And as soon as I saw about this, the following Monday, I came in and forwarded the information out to everyone. And apparently at the same time, Lori Anderson at Micron got contacted by BSU to see if Micron wanted to jump in. And so, and have the Additive Manufacturing Club send everything out. So we were getting hit from two sides. And since then, I think about 12 or 13 people have been printing headbands. It sounded like in the last week, on Monday, we donated, I believe, about 100 headbands to BSU.
I think it's incredible to see the Micron team really coming together about this. And it sounds like all of you really kind of jumped at the opportunity to be able to help. Maybe just to wrap us up, Matt, let us know how do you think this is really helping support the community there in Boise during these difficult times?
I think the biggest thing is just, making everything going on around the world. I mean, just making things more helpful or safe for our healthcare workers. Like my wife's a nurse, and that's kind of part of this stuff too. I wanted to come up with some method or something that can just in general help. And printers were sitting kind of idle, so just wanted to make them come to good use.
It's really inspiring. I think we're so thankful to hear more about these incredible stories from our team members like you. And it's exciting to see, I think every time that we've done one of these Heart of Micron stories, we see that there's a key component of this is some real collaboration with a lot of folks across Micron too, which is pretty awesome. So you guys are really living the Micron values, and thank you for everything that you're doing for the community.
Thank you. It's been actually I've been happy with it because ever since they started happening, I wanted to find some way to do something to help rather than just sitting here doing nothing. So it's been I felt real good about it.
That's awesome, Matt. Well, thank you so much for spending the time with us. And for those of you who are watching, tune in next time for our next Heart of Micron video. And remember, if you are hearing about other team members who are doing amazing work, just like Matt and his colleagues, let us know in the comments. Let us know, and we will be sure to consider it for the next edition of Heart of Micron. Thanks so much for tuning in.